Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Klarna One Time Card in store. Now the first thing I want you to do is generate a one-time card in the Klarna app. So you first open the Klarna app, you tap the in-store or your wallet, okay? And then you can create a one-time card during checkout. So here we see our purchase power about $5,000 and click here, create one-time card. And then you can come here and confirm and create the card. So you can do a one-time card for your store right here, or you can do the Klarna, for payments. We'll just do this one and then choose that. Click on agree and create card. It will create your one-time card, and then you get your card details, your cardholder name, your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and you can confirm and pay using it. Okay, and then you can see the payment has been made. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.